Children, today we will learn about these tools of GIMP. So first we are starting from clone tool. First we have to select the reference point by holding control key and click on the reference point. Now it will clone the image by the reference point. Now if you will drag the mouse, it will clone your image from the reference point. Now I am pressing Ctrl Z for undo. Now I am using this image, and now we are doing healing brush tool. This tool is basically used to remove the stains. Like if we want to remove pimple stains, so we can use healing brush tool, or we can remove any type of stains from the picture. So now we are selecting healing brush tool and select the reference point. Sorry, Ctrl Z. I have selected the wrong reference point. First, resize your brush and select the reference point by holding the control key. You can see easily the stains are removing. So children, by this way we can heal the stains from the picture, and this is the advanced tool of clone tool. Now we are using this tool, blur and sharpen. Blur and sharpen. If we are selecting blur and we are also increasing the size of the brush, it will blur the image. Now you can see the blur effect. Now I am pressing Ctrl Z for undo, and now I am selecting sharpen tool. It will sharpen the impact of the picture like this, children. Now I am using smudge tool. Select option and it will smudge whatever you want to smudge the part of the picture. It will smudge. Now I am pressing Ctrl Z. Now I am using this option, dodge and burn tool. If you want to give the lighter impact to your picture, then we have to use dodge tool. Now I am increasing the size of the brush also. It will give the lighter effect to the picture. I am pressing Ctrl Z, and if I am selecting burn tool, it will give the darker impact to the picture. So children, by using these methods you can use these options of GIMP. Thank you.